As well as beautiful rivers, the Marlborough region is also home to incredible ocean landscapes. The Marlborough Sounds are a collection of bays and inlets flanked with forest-covered hills that are a sight to behold. And me and my good friend Chelsea are lucky enough to be enjoying it all with the Marlborough Tour Company.
We've got about 1,500 k's of sheltered waterways, so you can always get out somewhere. You can always find somewhere private, sheltered. Plenty of marine life as well.
What's the fishing like?
It's fair. Try and make me tell you my spots.
I won't let you give away any secrets, that's fine.
All I seem to catch is a cold.
Captain Matt and his crew put on a fantastic spread, including a Marlborough Sauv Blanc, fresh salmon and delicious mussels, all while cruising the magical sounds.
Delicious. Cheers, breakfast of champions.
Totally. This is one experience I'll remember for a long time.